Kung di ka tutok dito, maagawang ka.
Saturated na ang market. Lahat nag-aagawan sa isang customer.
Sana, bawat labas ng pera, may balik agad.
We know real entrepreneurs have real challenges. That's why PLDT SME Nation offers real solutions to address costs, competition, security, and growth.
Basta malakas ang kakampi, kayang-kaya.
Ipapakita namin na hindi kami small fry.
It doesn't matter kung matagal ang balik, doble naman.
PLDT SME Nation. Success made easy.